Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cook Challenge. So guys, today we are going to make pizza, the most awaited recipe. So let's get started. Take 1 bowl of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and 1 bowl of wheat flour, that is गेहूं का आटा. If you want to make only of pizza base only of गेहूं का आटा, you can skip maida. Mix them a little. Add 2 to 3 spoons of curd, that is ready. This is baking powder. This will go in 1/4 of teaspoon. And this is baking soda. This will go the half of the baking powder. That is baking powder was 1/4 teaspoon. So this will go the half of it. That is around 3 to 4 pinches. Add a small After 25 to 30 minutes, see our dough is ready. And yes, it is rising up also. Give it a hand and keep it aside. Take a kadai on the flame. Put the flame to medium flame. Add salt to the kadai. Around 1.5 cup of salt. That is around 5 to 7 to 8 spoons. Spread it. Take a mini stand and place it into the cooker. If you don't have a mini stand, you can making small pizzas and dividing it into 3 parts. You are making a little bit larger, so you can divide it into 2 parts. Now you can see the thickness or thinness of your base. Take a plate that can be easily fit in that kadhai which you are taking. Grease it with oil nicely so that the base can come out easily after being cooked. And also see the size of your pizza base and the plate. Press it a little bit and take your 3 fingertips and seal the ends of the pizza base. This will not give any effect to your pizza. Now take a fork and make some holes in your pizza base so that the pizza base doesn't get dry. This is Dr. Oetker's Fun Food Pizza Topping, or you can use the pizza sauce also. Spread it into your pizza base with the help of a spoon or a cutting knife. Now you can see I cut down some vegetables and cheese. This is a sliced onion, sliced capsicum and sliced tomatoes and some cheese. This I have not used mozzarella cheese. This is the normal cube cheese. First layer will be of cheese. Second will go of the onions. So here our pizza is ready to go in the kadhai. Now you have to where we have sealed with the ends with our tips. Now you have to grease some oil to it so that it comes out easily. And here our kadhai is also preheated. Put the plate to it and cover the lid and cook the pizza for around 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, you can see our pizza is almost ready. Let's cook it for 5 more minutes. After 30 minutes, I have seen my pizza and checked also it is well cooked. Now you can take out your pizza. Now you can see how easily it is coming out. And you can see the bottom part of it also not burnt at all. Do cook this recipe